Fridge, compressor, parts name. The fridge compressor is responsible for circulating refrigerant through the cooling system by compressing it into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. This process helps remove heat from the refrigerator's interior, keeping the temperature cool for food preservation. Parts name. Suction port, refrigerant type 600A. Discharge port, process port, capacitor, terminal pin power supply. Stator winding, connecting rod, crankshaft, discharge chamber, discharge tube, piston inside, valve cover, discharge chamber. Stator winding, specification plate, process port, discharge port, refrigerant type, suction port, piston chamber, discharge tube,